Welcome to the channel, and today we have this equation here. So we are going to solve it, and to start, you see we have a cube root here and we have a seventh root here, right? So well, let's work on this first. We're gonna have then 45 plus square root of 24 to the power x plus 3 divided by 7. This is, I'm taking this root out, this is gonna be 1 over 3, okay, plus then I'm gonna have here 45 minus square root of 24, and then this is to the power x plus 3 divided by 3, and I'm taking this all to the power 1 over 7 because this is the seventh root, okay. So and then this is equals 90. So this is going to be then 45 plus square root of 24, and this is to the power, then multiplying this, we're going to have x plus 3 divided by 21, which is 7 times 3, and we're going to have then 45 minus square root of 24 to the power of x plus 3 divided by, this time this is going to be 21, and then this is equals 90. So from here, guys, we see that we have the same power here, but the bases are different. So we're going to work on these bases to make them equal. So let me pick this one here. You can work with the positive sign or the negative sign, it's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to find the conjugate of this, okay. If I pick this one here and I multiply by its conjugate, which is 45 plus square root of 24, right, and I'm gonna divide by the same thing here, 24. So now we're gonna have, this is what here we get something like a plus b, which multiplies a minus b, then this is a square minus b square. So we're applying here, we have 45 square minus square root of 24 to the power of 2, and then divided by 45 plus square root of 24. So guys, this is gonna be then 45 to the power of 2, it's 2025, minus this one, we're gonna have 24, and then we're gonna have 45 plus square root of 24. So then we're gonna have this gonna be 1 divided by 45 plus square root of 24, and then this one is the same thing as saying 45 plus square root of 24 to the power of -1, okay. So now let's replace, now we have that this one here is equal to this, right? So now let's replace in our equation. So here we're gonna have then what we're gonna have, let's pick this one here that we already have, 45 plus square root of 24 here to the power of x plus 3 divided by 21, and plus this one here to the power of -1. So it means we would have the same thing here, which is now 45 plus square root of 24 to the power of x plus 3 divided by 21, and this is all to the -1, and then this is equals 90. So guys, now this is our equation. Now we see that this one here, this factor, this thing here is the same. So we're gonna say now that 45 plus square root of 24 to the power of x plus 3 divided by 21, let's say this is going to be equals to this is equals to a, okay. Actually, let me say this is equal d, because let's say this is equal d. Now, okay, let's say this is a, let's work with a. So we're gonna have then here, what we're gonna have here, a, right, plus this is gonna be a to the power -1 equals 90, okay. So we have negative 1 here. I can multiply all by a to the power. Only I'm going to multiply this expression by a. So a times a, it's going to be a squared. Here we're going to have what? Plus a to the power minus 1 plus 1 equals 90a. Okay, so we're going to have then a squared minus 90a, and then we have here, this is going to be 0, a to the 0, it's 1, so we have this quadratic equation. So now to solve this, I'm going to complete this square. Completing the square, you just have to divide the value of b, which is 90, by 2. So I'm going to say, and the half of 90 is 45, so I'm going to say a minus 45 square, and I'm going to subtract the square of 45, which is minus 45 square, plus 1, and then this is 0. So I have here a minus 45 to the power of 2, 45 to the power of 2. We have already seen it here. This is 2025, and then minus 2025, and then plus 1 equals 0. From here we're going to have a minus 45 square. This would be minus 2024, which is going to be equal to 2024 positive. So now we have a minus 45 equals to plus or minus square root of 2024. So now we have a equals to 45 plus or minus square root of 2024. Okay, and then here we are going to have that a1 is going to be equal to 45 plus square root of 2024, and a2 is going to be equal to 45 minus square root of 2024, which is the same thing as 45 plus square root of 2024 to the power of minus 1, because we have already done this here. Now we're going to replace our value of a. We say that a is equal to this, so this is equal to a. So then we're gonna have that 45, we're gonna have 45 plus square root of 2024 to the power of x plus 3 over 21 equals a1, which is the a1 is this one here. So this is going to be equals to 45 plus square root of 2024 all to the power of 1, right? This is 1. So bases are the same, we gotta make the powers be the same, and then this is equal 1. So we're gonna have then x plus 3 is gonna be equals 21 times 1, 21, and x is going to be 21 minus 3, so we're going to have our x1 equals to 18. So for the second case, we're going to have then 45 plus square root of 2024 to the power of x plus 3 divided by, this is x plus 3 divided by 21, and then this time we're going to have the value of a2, which is this one here. So, and I mean this one here, right? So this is going to be 45 minus plus square root of 2024. This is to the power of -1, same basis, same powers, x plus 3 divided by 21, and then this is equal to -1. So we're going to have then x plus 3 is going to be equal to minus 21, and then x is going to be equals to minus 21 minus 3, and then x2 is going to be equal to -24. Okay guys, so these are the solution, guys, and we can check our solutions if we want. We are going to get some answers, but let's check with this answer. Let's check with x1 here. Let's do directly here in the question. So if we plug x here as being what, 18, we're gonna have this fraction here is gonna be what, 18 plus 3 over 7. We're gonna have here 21 divided by 7, it's gonna be 3. So these 3 here, we would cancel this with this, and we're gonna be only left with 45 plus square root of 20, 24. Okay, this is case 1 of our verification. And here we're gonna have the same thing, right? But the difference is we're gonna have this one with the negative sign up. So the calculus here would be the same. So we would just have plus 45 minus square root of 24, which is equal to 90. And we're going to cancel this and this. So we're going to have 45 plus 45. It's going to be what? It's going to be 90 equals to 90. Okay. You can check the second solution if you are in doubt. And thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thanks.